How to delete text messages forever on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on messages app. Now here, so if you want to delete forever messages, so click on conversation. So if you want to delete, so just click and hold on message. So after click on message, and you will see now here showing your delete. So click on delete, you will see your messages delete. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can delete text messages forever on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.